Have you ever wondered where to find the fuse box in your 2021 Ford Bronco? What essential functions do the fuses protect within the vehicle? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Bronco. Under hood fuse box. The underhood fuse box of the 2021 Ford Bronco houses essential fuses for major systems like the engine, cooling fans, and headlights. It features a durable, weather-resistant cover to protect against moisture and dirt. Each fuse is clearly labeled, making it easy to identify and replace as needed. Body control module fuse box. The 2021 Ford Bronco's body control module BCM fuse box manages various interior and electronic functions such as lighting, power windows, and locks. It features easy-to-access fuses for quick troubleshooting and replacements. Labeled for clarity, it ensures efficient maintenance of essential vehicle systems.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.